But the issue is very, very brief, and it's a very small issue because as far as the students who went to Ukraine and China, my lord, in the year 2017, we were given the eligibility certificate to move to China. We went to China. We registered ourselves in 2017 for the course of MBBS. Now, in between, when COVID struck, we returned back. And then online classes were conducted from India as far as China University is concerned. Now, as far as the internship period is concerned, for a normal MBBS category candidate, it's for a period of 1 year. But when we returned, we were informed in writing. There are 3 letters, my lord, MP Medical Council, because every state gave it in writing. Because the Honorable Supreme Court in one of the matters has said it, that it has to be decided state-wise. So, as far as Madhya Pradesh MP Medical Council is concerned, they gave us in 2023, and they also gave, we also gave an affidavit that yes, the internship period will be for a period of 2 years. Now, because we started in 2023, 31/3/2025 was a cutoff. That by 31/3/2025, we will be clearing our internship of 2 years, and then we will be automatically eligible to appear in the pre-PG examination scheduled in the month of June 2025. 7th is a cutoff date fixed by the National Board of Examination, which I have filed along with the synopsis, where the cutoff date is 7th of May. That we have to fill the form from 17th of April to 7th of May, midnight at 11:55, the window will be closed. Now they have suddenly, with retrospective operation, from 2 years to 3 years, the impugned order is passed, which even they are not very clear, my lord, because in one of the letters they have written 1 year. Then they immediately say, no, it's 2 years. Then repeatedly for 2 years, they are sending us the letters, it is 2 years. Now on 24th of November, 2024.
What is that stand taken by other states?
Other states, my lord, I have filed the annexures. All the states, 7 states I have filed, my lord, Telangana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, all of them saying 2 years for the students of foreign medical graduates, which means Ukraine.
They include, but what about China?
They include China and Ukraine both.
So it's 2 years for them.
For 2 years. They are very, very clear.
Why is it 3 years?
Malak, there was a discrepancy regarding whether the China, Ukraine and the COVID pandemic will be treated as same or not. Regarding that, my lords, various letters were written to NMC to clear their stand, my lords, if I may. Yes. This letter specifically says, my lords, subject clarification sought on internship tenure for candidates with MBBS degrees from China. We are writing to follow up on our earlier correspondence dated 13/8/2024, in which we sought your guidance and clarification regarding the internship tenure of candidates who have completed their MBBS degrees from China and successfully cleared the foreign medical graduate examination. As previously mentioned, the candidates have been allotted the internships by the Madhya Pradesh Medical Council and are currently undergoing the same. As detailed in our previous letter, the concern arises from the Gazette notification dated 28/11/2021, Part 3, Section 4, which states that no foreign medical graduate shall be granted permanent registration unless they have completed a course leading to foreign medical degree.
Clarification? Clarification from the NMC?
NMC wrote a letter, my lords, that is an reply. It's in our reply, my lords, Annexure R2. Dated 23 September 2024. My lords, clarifications, subject is clarification sought on internship tenure for candidates with MBBS degrees from China. I am directed to refer your mail dated so addressed to Secretary NMC along with the my lords, operative part is para 2. Madhya Pradesh Medical Council may follow the clarification decisions as mentioned in NMC's public notice dated 7 December 2023. My lords, the same is marked as Annexure R1, the public notice that they are referring to.
What is the clarification? They don't even.
My lords, if my lords,
it's surprising, they can't even spell out one line.
My lords, we are bound by the directive.
My lord, I'll clarify.
They follow the clarification decision as mentioned in so and so at point 1. They can't even extract point 1 over here.
If may just
and none of the letters there is an extract of point 1.
My lords, we are bound by the directive.
No, they haven't given a direction.
My lords, the point that they have mentioned.
Madhya Pradesh Medical Council may follow clarification decision as mentioned in MNC public notice dated 7,
It's
which are relevant for those FGMCs.
Malos Messi and
What is the clarification? Show us the clarification. Where is this point 1 and 2?
It's
Next
R1,
letter
my lord.
also there is no clarification.
R1 of my reply, my lords, if my lords may see. Point number 2,
Next letter say a copy of UMG addressed to registrar is
FMG.
enclosed for necessary action.
FMGs had a break in penultimate year of study, my lords, this point number 2.
What is 1 and 2?
This point number 2, my lords, FMG had a break in penultimate year of study owing to COVID pandemic or war and completed FMG course including examination through online mode. If my lords may see point number 6 of this, point number 2, my lords. Existing FMGs undergoing internship will be allowed to continue complete their 3 years before permanent registration given by the State Medical Council.
Where are you reading?
Annexure R1, my lords, point number 2,
Yes.
and my lords, point 6 of point. Roman number
Completed
2,
to
point
complete
number
their
6.
3 years before permanent registration.
My
Now,
lord.
my lord, that is the crux, my lord. Just give me, can I have it?
Mr. Sanghi,
My lord,
this letter
my lord.
shows that there is a regular 54 months MBBS course
My lord,
and then two years of internship.
my lord, I'm coming to the point, my lord, directly. As far as 2023 public notice which they have annexed, it is not applicable to us. What is applicable is 2022. That is what in my rejoinder I have clarified, my lord.
Mr.
In 2000, my
Mr.
lord,
Sanghi, please tell us
my
one.
lord,
What is, forget about your college and these
my lord,
petitions.
my lord.
What is the normal course of an MBBS program?
5 years.
54 months?
4.5 years, 5 years.
54 months?
Ma-
They say MBBS minimum
Ma-
54. And then you have a 2-year internship period.
My lord.
People who come from outside have a 54 months training there and then 2 years of internship. Now coming to your case, did you have a 54-month in MBBS? Because this letter seems to suggest it is lesser than that.
my lord, specifically, my lord, in the rejoinder, I have clarified this situation.
You
Because
tell
that-
us.
Because that is the crux, my lord. In my rejoinder,
Wait, don't do what the NMC has done.
my lord,
Tell us. In how many years did you
my
complete
lord,
MBBS?
permits, my lord.
We need the period.
54 months वाली internship.
सर कई कई कॉलेजेस में अलग अलग टाइम पीरियड रहता है
आपका कितने टाइम पीरियड का हुआ?
सर हमारा 5 ईयर्स का था प्लस 1 ईयर इंटर्नशिप जो कि नहीं हुई थी उसमें इंक्लूडेड थी सर
Is it 4.5 years, 5 years?
सर 4.5 ईयर्स
So, Mr. Sanghi, now if you correlate this with LLB, there are foreign degrees. You get a 3-year LLB degree in, for example, London, straight after 12th. So, there were people who would do 12th, 3 years LLB and come and get enrolled. So now Bar Council of India said, no, there are people who study here have to do, at that time it was 12 plus 6. So they said 12 plus 3 plus 3. Now it is 12 plus 5. So they say you have to do graduation before you go. Now if somebody has gone and got an LLB from there, he has to come back, register for a 2-year program here. So that they complete that 5-year and then they apply for an exam.
My lord, may I just take only 2 minutes, my lord?
So exactly in the same context, they've said,
Yeah.
if you've not got 54 months, 1-year period to complete that and then 2-year internship.
सर इंटर्नशिप 1 साल की है सर इंडियन मेडिकल ग्रेजुएट्स के लिए भी और फॉरेन मेडिकल ग्रेजुएट्स के लिए भी सर कहीं भी 2 साल नहीं है सर इंडिया में सर जस्ट टू कंपेंसेट अस वी वर अलाउड टू डू 2 ईयर ऑफ इंटर्नशिप which was said on 30 July to 2022 notice. In behalf of that, we got the internship in MPMC in March 2020.
Because they're saying the candidate to undergo 3-year internship to compensate for the shorter MBBS program duration.
So that's what they are saying.
Now, if somebody were to do this MBBS from not China or Ukraine, but somewhere else, how many years internship does he have to do?
Sir, 1 year internship only, sir.
Where is that rule?
Sir, that is in NMC Gazette. That regarding that, they are saying, sir, 18 November
But
2021.
that gazette itself says, my lord, that they have to complete that 54 months.
No, you see, what he's saying is, if I had done 54 months, I was to do 1 year. I've done less than 54
was very
months, so you're
specific.
saying 1 year compensation and 1 year more. That's why it's 2 years.
This was very
Your
specific.
letter seems to suggest 2 plus 1, one for compensate and 2
That's
years.
as per the public notice, my lords.
No, you tell us whether it is 3 years or 2 years.
In this specific case, my lords, the NMC had directed this.
You see, there are 2-3 issues. This clause 2 talks of there is a break in education. That means it was supposed to be 4.5 years, they came back in 3.5. Is that the case?
That was such case, my lord. That's why first
Zangi,
the query
did
was
they
raised.
complete 4.5 years there, or they completed only 3.5 and came
That
back
was
because of
They,
pandemic?
3.5 years and then they came back in between. And then they
Then-
completed through online. My lord, what my respectful submission is that as far as if my lord will just see P7, till 2022, the position was absolutely different. And they were very, very clear National Medical Commission, my lord. P7, page 46, of my lord will see. Because as far as this notification is concerned, it is applicable from 2023. We were of the batch of 2022. So 2022 public notice and the MCA, I'll just take 2 minutes, my lord, and 2 annexures to convince my lord, that as far as NMC is concerned, NMC was saying on 28th of July 2022, page 46. In pursuance to the order dated so-and-so passed by the Honorable Supreme Court and SLP number so-and-so, it is informed that the Indian students who were in the last year of their undergraduate medicine course due to COVID-19, Russia-Ukraine war, etc., had to leave their foreign medical institute and
No,
return
this
to India.
This is 2022, they are saying is one-time measure. Not to be.
That
taken
they have written, my lord, that is a one-time measure in the last line.
You can't rely upon it.
But, my lord, just see, my lord,
Now they are saying it's 1 plus 2.
just, my lord, see the letter, my lord. I'm just coming to, my lord, what MCI has written, the Medical Council. Page number P5, my lord, page 44. Dated 6/11/2023. It is addressed to the Adhisthata Atal Bihari Vajpayee Medical College, Vidisha. विदेश में MBBS या समकक्ष कोर्स करने वाले छात्रों इंटर्नशिप की अवधि 2 वर्ष किए जाने के संबंध में ना संदर्भ इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट माय लॉर्ड राष्ट्रीय आयुर्विज्ञान आयोग नई दिल्ली के क्रमांक 2022 28/7/2022 से जारी पब्लिक नोटिस कार्यालय आयोग चिकित्सा नेशनल मेडिकल कमीशन के संदर्भ पत्र क्रमांक सो डेटेड 28/7/2022 के अनुसार
NMC will be required.
Pardon?
NMC is required because this is
My lord,
where all this.
NMC has been served Hamdas, my lord,
Who's
and
verifying NMC?
in fact,
Who's the standing counsel?
Mr. Nair is a standing, as a senior advocate, my lord, he appears for
Where
the
is he?
NMC.
Where is he?
My lord, already they have been served, but till date, in none of the
No,
appearances.
because we are then interpreting their.
Definitely,
their
my lord,
circulars
because
like
NMC
that.
is a parent body, NMC will have to, but I would like to demonstrate, my lord, what the other states have done, my lord.
No, let NMC be here.
My lord,
There has to be uniform
definitely, my
policy
lord,
across.
NMC plays a very important role because it's a parent body, and whatever they say, the MP Medical Council does. But I'm just reading page 53, my lord, the public notice of Rajasthan Medical Council. The same situation. It says 2 years of clinical internship. Then, my lord, page 52, Haryana Medical Council, 2 years.
Have they been served?
They have been served, my lord.
Hamza's notice is not, affidavit you have not filed. Affidavit of service of Hamza's notice is not filed.
Extra copy was also given to Mr. Nair, my lord.
Just get Mr. Nair.
I'll just,
We'll have it tomorrow then. Call.
I'll inform you. Mr.
Tell
Nair,
him just now.
my lord, I'll just,
So that he can then take instructions for tomorrow. Just call Mr. Nair. We'll pass it over.
oblige.